I thought he might leave the bottle of Jack there. I was going to bring it with myself. Okay, guys, moving on to Act 4, Singing Perfect / Sweet Dreams. It's Roxanne McHugh! Hello, the backup dancers. go over to the judges for the Sarah Park. I'm a small bit colourblind now from all the colours coming out here on the fluorescence, you know, but wow. That's the first performance I think we've seen full choreography from start to finish in situ and together. Well done. There wasn't a step out of place and there wasn't a movement. It was so planned and so well organised, and for choreography, entertainment value and vocal ability, Roxanne, you rock. Well done.
Yeah, Roxanne, it's great stuff because we were talking at halftime and you and I know that there was a little problem at the end of the first round, and you know, to come out and do that, it was absolutely brilliant, and I'm so delighted for you. Now that's what it's all about. That's coming out, presenting us with a song, giving it everything, showing the talent that you have. You're not just a singer, you're not just a performer, you can dance as well. We've been waiting for this, it just burst out. It's so effervescent. It was absolutely super. Well done, and I'm delighted for you.
Three things. 7 nights. For every night, that's 1 o'clock, be a pattern.
We're getting it thrown at me here. It worked. Three things. Well, hello, Ellen. Happy birthday, Mammy. And wow. There wasn't a single thing I could fault from that, and well done. You brought everything to it, and fantastic. Backing dancers, well done. Every single beat, well done. Fantastic.
For the scores and song for next week as well, please. Yeah, my choice for next week, Roxanne, is the ABBA song "The Winner Takes It All." And I'm doing half marks tonight, but that's what I think. It's 9.5, Roxanne. Well done.
Yeah, Roxanne, my song for next week is Mayhem, Imelda May. Yeah, so it is. Yeah, you know that one, Mammy, you do. You have to learn the hand clap for that too, right? And I'm going to give Roxanne a 9. Well done.
Yes, my song for next week is We Found Love, Rihanna. My score tonight is a 10.